Agricultural use of alkynes, alcohol, and ethers. Alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons containing one triple carbon-carbon linkage, the general formula being CnH2n-2. The triple bond is called the acetylenic bond. Natural products containing alkynes has been identified in large numbers. Ethane, C2H2, is the first alkyne which consists of two carbons atom in it, and they are covalently linked by three bonds. It is the simplest of all alkynes, as it is two carbon molecule with three bonds between the carbons, and each of them can form one bond with hydrogen. Acetylenes are feedstocks chemicals that are widely employed in the synthesis of a broad range of industrial materials. Trials and experiments of alkynes are visible in more matters such as artificial ripening of fruits and vegetables. The two main categories of alcohol used in agronomy are ethanol and methanol, although other alcohols are also used in the agriculture sector. Ethanol, which is usually derived from crops such as maize and sugar, has several uses. It is also a solvent in those products which are used in agricultural practices such as herbicides, fungicides, and insecticides. Moreover, ethanol being a significant constituent of biofuel, a green source of energy and replacement for fossil fuel that gives out minimal impacts to the environment. Methanol, another alcohol, is used in synthesis of pesticides and herbicides. It is used in the formulation of pesticides processed by enhancing dispersion of active substance in the whole formulation. In addition, methanol is used to generate a variety of chemicals used in enhancing the fertility of the soil. Ethers, for example, diethyl ether, are commonly used in agriculture because it is chemically stable and as a good solvent. They are employed in the making of insecticides, herbicides, and fungicides, an intermediate for agrochemical solvents, such as others, including terahydroforum THF, are also used in formulation of agricultural chemicals as these extend their dispersion and effectiveness and are especially widely employed in the production polymers and resins.